Yeah. We're all just shooting up in the air.
Welcome one and welcome all to another vlog. Now, Kaylee's mum recently got some eating out vouchers and she's given them to us. Big thank you there. And we've had a look and we're going to go to TGI Fridays today. So I'm going to get ready. We're going to go out and then a little later on, I believe the new Call of Duty Battle Royale's coming out. So hopefully we can jump on that and potentially grab a victory. But oh well, until then, come with us, enjoy the food footage, and yeah, nom nom nom. So in last week's vlog, I talked about how me and Kaylee are looking at getting a house together this year. And one big part of getting a sort of a house for the first time is that getting all the little bits and bobs together to make it your own house. So let's have a look at the type of things that me and Kaylee have bought for our future property. Now, it might not look much, but I'm only storing about a third of this stuff and Kaylee has got the rest. So in terms of the house goodies that we've got, these are them, including an electric blanket, a set of 3 boxes, a very nice TV stand from B&M, our prized possession that we bought when we went to Leeds, our Eiffel Tower table lamp, a tin opener and blitzer, a Russell Hobbs chopping board set, the trusty burger press, this absolutely lovely keys and letters rack from Wilkinson's, a university favourite, the cutlery tray. Moving on to the ice cream maker that Mum never lets me actually use. Then we've got a chocolate melting pot that I bought on a Black Friday deal, I think, and only ever used it once. Then we've got these lovely things from Home Bargains. K&A in a nice rose gold pattern. And then we've got the Malm chest of drawers. I've got 2 of those for either side of the bed. And yeah, boom. Oh yeah, nearly forgot something. The Primark bag. Now, it's not actually a Primark bag, but inside it, we have a Disney-themed Christmas wreath that is the Mickey Mouse sort of pattern. Shape even, not pattern. So yeah, but it's very delicate, so I didn't want to get it out. So I've left it in the price, it's gonna fall. Left it in the Primark bag. And now it's time to get all this stuff under the bed. Here it is. Call of Duty Warzone. So we've just been playing the new COD update for a bit. And what have we done? We won our first match of Plunder, which was pretty darn cool. Check out this bit of footage of where we got that.
Right, flipping heck. They haven't got any cash balloon. Guy?
No.
Downed him? Bloody hell. Flip me. Where is he?
Upstairs in here.
He's northwest side, I think.
One guy there. Oh, I'm popping off! 2 double kills! Flipping heck!
There's a money bag somewhere. Does that mean that we're... Right, if we can just like stay up here for the next 3 minutes and survive whilst Dan tries and gets cash or summit.
701k.
Yep, but
Come on, C4.
Thing, it's 50...
Oh! Oh!
Has he done it?
I got a triple kill.
How much money you got?
I need to go and loot the bodies on top of this.
Quick.
Someone's trying to snipe me.
Yeah, but that's for the bonus round, Adam.
Timer's on my left, I know what that means.
Yeah, that's the bonus round, or the end of the map. I don't know.
Yes! Yes! Have it!
So we've got this massive list of all the things that we've currently bought for the house, and I'm just going to talk you through what those things are right now. So the following items are what we have both currently got for our house. However, this will also include the things that I've talked about that I've got that are now underneath the bed, and also the things that Kaylee has got. So, in no particular order, here we go. Television stand, coffee table, side table, shelving unit, bedside cabinets ×2, chest of drawers ×2, bookshelf in white, bedside lamps ×2, dinner set, placemats, cup mats, glasses, knives, tea and coffee and sugar jars, knife holder, bowls, mugs, table lamp, rug, chopping board set, kettle, toaster, blender, steam mop, duvet set, mini chopper, chocolate melter, burger press, ice cream maker, Christmas baubles, Disney wreath, buffet server, slow cooker, shark vacuum cleaner, towel set, face flannels, soap dispenser, soap holder, and a bath mat. That are our home goods so far. Until then, that is now the end of the vlog. Hope you've all enjoyed it. It's been alright. It's not been too shabby. Been pretty hyped about my TGI meal that was on point and delicious. The wins that we've got, you'll be able to see the full video of that soon, I believe. I think I'll be releasing the full gameplay footage of that. And yeah, I'll see you all in a bit. Tally-ho, friends! Bye! Now, I actually caught this footage when I'd actually already finished the vlog. But we got another victory on Plunder, so enjoy some more footage! Until then, guys, bye-bye! Properly.
Hello.
What here?
We'll ping like that.
Hang on, there's a money box. Oh, there's a money crate. I'm going for that.
Yeah, go for the money. Yeah, you go for that, and I'll go for the scavenge.
That's if I can get to it. Bonus money round. I've got a chance here to get fat stacks.
Yeah. Alright.
I've got the box, I've got the box.
Right, there's 130 meters of range, gonna run through it. Team is in the lead, nice.
We're in the lead.
Yeah.
There's a bounty here.
40 odd meters away.
So we have to stay alive.
Just secure it.
Secure it for 2 minutes 30. Holy crap, we get bloody... Oh my god. Guys, we get that, we're gonna get a mill.
I know, yeah.
Freaking secure it!
I am.
We're gonna win!
No, we just need...
No!
No!
God, we gotta get it!
We're not. Right, we gotta get it. Right, fucking hell. Right. We go to this building there, see if there's anything there. Yeah, there is! There's a fucking loot box. Right.
Done it! I got it!
Yeah! We got 1 million, I can't believe it.
Boys.
No, we
Flipping
can carry
heck.
on going. We can carry on going.
Just get bonus cash, can't we?
Yeah. I know.
Getting shot at.
Oh yeah, try to stay alive,
Getting chased by like everyone.
I've got eyes on you, so... Oh, wait! No, let's just go. We've got 17 seconds. Back of the truck and shooting. 10 9 8
8
7
7
Boys, do you want
6
to now?
5 4 3 2 Woo! Yeah!
We're all just shooting up in the air.